Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and what we got here today is a Vufine system. It's glasses and the monitor. There is supposed to be a little attachment here, and you basically wear it like that. For reasons unbeknownst to me, the thing stopped working, so I thought I would take it apart. So there's a little monitor in there, and taking it apart is quite easy. Just stick a pry tool and it comes apart. This cover comes off, and what we see on the inside is a big battery and circuit board. There's a ribbon cable going to the actual monitor. Now this part is glued. I'm gonna take a look and see if it's a battery or what causes this issue that it's not working, and probably put it back together. But hopefully somebody is interested in how this thing, what's on the inside of it. Let's see if we can pull. Yeah, the circuit board looks like it's, yep, there's an adhesive on the bottom, so I'd have to warm it up to remove it. But this is a short video about this. I've looked online and didn't find any references on what's inside of this Vufine. The model number is VUF-110, and it's HDMI. So one of the connections is USB, and one of the connections is HDMI. And this is an HDMI. I believe it's a 720p device that can display 720p resolution on this tiny little monitor. And it actually worked quite well. Negative about it is that you got all these cables hanging. Well, mainly a video cable, and it's not really practical to walk around with a thick, even a small HDMI or tiny HDMI video cable is going to be fairly thick, and that kind of kills this practicality of this thing. Alright, hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching.